The return of investment is huge.
There's no upfront costs that you have to pay at all.
Incentives are good.
It is rewarding at the end of the day, and the return is well worth it.
Small businesses across Canada are reporting that apprentices are making a significant contribution to company profits. As an example, an apprentice in the automotive sector can generate a net benefit for the employer of more than $150,000 over 4 years. Many of these companies report that after their apprentice qualifies as a journey person, they can be 25 to 30% more productive than a journey person who trained elsewhere. The return on training continues long after training has ended. Many companies have hired apprentices in response to the growing shortage of skilled labor. They are reporting that apprentices trained their way are productive within the first few months of training. Small business owners agree that the apprenticeship program was easy to implement in their business.
The return of investment is huge. I mean, not only like long-term and short-term. Short-term, you know, you're getting your work done, you're getting caught up. Long-term, you have an employee that knows your equipment and knows what you want and the quality of work that you're looking for.
The productivity that one apprentice can do is absolutely amazing.
We made one phone call, someone called us back in a few hours, we'd set up an interview, and then we'd have them signed up as an apprentice within a matter of hours.
It's a plus in every way, and it's very rewarding, so I don't see why any employer or company would not give anybody an opportunity as an apprentice.
Well, I mean, the hesitation shouldn't really be there. You've got an opportunity to hire somebody and receive financial compensation for having them on your payroll.
As the apprentice's skill level increases over the duration of the program, the cost associated with their training declines, while the revenue they generate increases. The difference between the increasing revenue and the decreasing costs of training results in a healthy, cumulative net benefit for the employer. The employer's return on training investment is further improved when the industry-specific incentives such as signing bonuses and tax credits are added to the calculation.
We were able to claim 3 years back for the missed apprenticeship tax credits, and it actually canceled out over $40,000 of the corporate taxes.
It could have been within the first 3 months, in some cases within the first 6 months, but we always got our return back.
Basically, it was one phone call to my accountant who filled out about a 2-page report and filed it into the government, and it was all taken care of it. So it was quick and easy and no hassle whatsoever.
There is another powerful incentive to hire apprentices. Skilled tradespeople are increasingly hard to find, and a small business can't operate without skilled labor. Employers have recognized that any new employee requires training and time to learn how the company operates. They find that young apprentices are eager to learn and quickly adapt to their new environments. Small business owners report several benefits from this. Employers are reporting improvements in customer relationships and health and safety records. As the apprentices' skills increase, their earning potential and advancement within the company grows. And employers report that this leads to a greater sense of loyalty. This win-win solution can reduce the cost of staff turnover.
I've never had any regrets. It's been a great experience all the way through and through.
Many small businesses that are not training apprentices also reported that they would consider hiring an apprentice if they could find the appropriate candidate and not get buried in the paperwork. Employers start by calling Employment Ontario, where they are referred to the Employment Services Office in their local neighborhood. The Employment Services Office matches pre-screened candidates with the employer free of charge. After the right match is found, they assist the employer with the paperwork to acquire the tax credits, incentives, and signing bonuses specific to the employer's industry. They also provide follow-up support to ensure the apprentice and program is working for everyone.
They can register to use our services. So number one, we're offsetting their advertising costs because we already have a pool of candidates that have expressed an interest in certain types of jobs that we can match with them. So it cuts down on their time, and we can pre-assess and interview for them and just send candidates that are, you know, wanting to pursue this and are serious about going into that apprenticeship.
Yeah, the registration is quite simple.
Yeah, actually, signing up an apprentice for the apprenticeship program is actually quite easy.
It was a pretty quick process.
Hiring an apprentice makes good business sense. There is a terrific return on your training investment. That return is increased with tax credits, incentives, and bonuses. Employers develop a skilled employee to fit their specific company requirements. And the help available from Employment Ontario makes it easy to do. Take the next step. Contact Employment Ontario, 1-800-387-5656.